Next dish, we're still using the veggie chunks, right? I had already soaked and prepared the veggie chunks for the pot, but I'm just gonna give you a quick run through of the ingredients here that we will be using. This is pimento seed. What I'm gonna do is take a teaspoon of the pimento seed here, and I'm going to crush them right when I'm ready for that. This is some macaroni that I will be adding to the veggie chunks. It's going to be an orange, it's going to be veggie chunk in orange sauce, and I've bought this orange juice, right? I have lime juice here. I have ginger, which I'll just be using probably about 2 ounces of the ginger. I've already blended the lemon, the lime juice and the orange juice with some of the ginger in this glass. So I have this glass that I'm going to be adding to the mix, and we have again our favorite string bean and all the spices that we will be needing, right? Preferably leading the pack, we have all-purpose and some Maggi season up with a little flavoring of your choice, right? Onion, garlic, sweet pepper, we have thyme, right, all chopped in this one little dish here. And over here is where we have boiling away our chunks, right? I am preparing this in a half and half, so we have half orange juice and half water, so the veggie chunk is already being prepared in the orange flavor. While the pot is ticking away, I've already taken off the veggie chunks and I've strained it. There we have our orange liquid, right? So I've strained the veggie chunks and having it cool while we prepare for the pot. Now I am going to drop another quarter cup of oil into this pot. Again, you always try to cook with less oil, depending on the serving, right? Well, this is basically a serving for 2, so again you're going to try and use less oil. But when you're doing larger serving, you will increase the oil to probably about a cup. 1 cup of oil can give you a proper serving for about 15 people, with these ingredients adding in numbers. All right, now the oil is hot. I'm going to drop my seasonings in. Again, that's the onion, I keep saying sweet potato. That's onion, sweet pepper, garlic, and my crushed thyme. And again, this is a small serving, so if you're going to do a larger serving, you're going to need you're going to need a larger pot and about 5 times this ingredient. Got my thyme stuck to my spoon. That's all right. Okay, we can saute for a little under 2 minutes. It's not long, under or should I say over a medium high flame, right? And then we drop in our pre-cooked veggie chunks. Stir again. And again, this thing smells delicious. Delicious. Like you can grab it off the fire and run for freedom, boy. Yeah, I like to tap my pot, tap, telling it to behave. Yeah. So we'll have that set and marinate for little about another 2 to 3 minutes before we proceed with the next step. Okay, now we're ready to drop in our glass of mixed orange juice with the ginger and lemon. Just gonna pour all of that in. There you go. And again, we're going to stir. This is just great. This is just great. Beautiful. Now using the same mixture that we had before, that we had boiled the veggie chunks in, I'm just going to pour half of that into our pot here. Trying to make up numbers. That's just great right there. Beautiful. And in doing that, we will add our macaroni. Now in this case, for a larger serving, I would probably add the whole pack of macaroni, but I don't need so much in this. And you can do without the macaroni. You know, I just like to see the colors. I'm in love with the colors. Alright, and we let this simmer for another 5 minutes. Just cover it and let simmer for another 5 minutes. I'm going to drop my pimento, just a little, about a half a tablespoon. Add again my Maggi season up. Always good to have some Maggi season up. And we'll stir. It's getting nice and thick. And you can always feel free to add some sweet potato, or some Irish potato. In dishes like these, I like to use sweet potato. You know, it kind of helps with the flavor. Adding again some chicken seasoning. Not too much. Stir once more. Get the flavors properly marinated. I like to crush my pimento seeds, because a lot of times when you're eating, you have that I call it an awful surprise when you bite into a pimento seed. You know, it really throws the flavor out the door. Then we're gonna add our favorite string bean. Everybody loves string bean. Stir once more. And string beans, you don't cook these. I like to have these slightly heated before I take my meal off the flame. So I don't normally cook string beans for long. Lovely. It's looking great. Smell. Oh Lord, this is fabulous. You know.